What's up, Juicy Squad? It's your girl, Lucy, juicy but never thirsty. And this is Juicy Told You. If you're new to my channel, please take a moment and subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you don't miss a beat. Speaking of beat, y'all see this look I just put together? Yes, your girl is like getting really good at, putting these looks together. Let me know if you've been following me. If not, hit me up on social media so you can see like my growth as a self-taught MUA. Let me stop. I'm not trying to be an MUA. I'm not trying to beat other people's faces. I'm just trying to beat my own face. But anyways, guys, I just got the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and I use this palette on my whole eyeshadow look. So I really want to know what you guys think of the creation I put together. Please leave your comments and opinions in the comment field and let me know what you think. But if you're curious about what I think, my first impressions on this palette is I give it like an 8 out of 10 for the price. I had to pinch a little coins, save a little bit pennies to get it. I really wanted it. I am glad that I got it. I use mostly these colors here at the bottom. I haven't really got a chance to experiment with the other colors, but I am pretty happy with it. The colors are very, very pigmented. I love that. My only complaint is with this color I just used, which is the Turkish Delight, which I basically use to pack on my eyelid. I did have a problem with it with creasing and kind of falling out. So I found myself actually reapplying this particular color a few times. I didn't necessarily show it in the tutorial, but it is something I did go through. So hopefully I don't have that problem with the other glittery colors. The matte colors didn't really give me a problem, but the Turkish Delight, it wasn't as, compressed or vibrant as I wanted it to be. But that's my only complaint about that right now. I am going to be doing some new looks on it, so make sure if you want to catch my future looks on this palette that you subscribe or follow me on social media. All of my links will be in the description box, along with every single product that I am using to create this look. And if you are interested in purchasing anything that I've used, please guys, purchase through my affiliate links. I do get commission for anything purchased directly through my links, and those commission and revenue does help me out with my medical expenses. So as you're treating yourself to something nice, you're actually supporting me. I am a cancer fighter, soon to be cancer survivor. So send me some prayers, guys. Send me some good vibes. I'm trying to claim my healing, and I need your help to do so. So make sure you follow me on social media and purchase through my affiliate links whenever I have posted. That way you guys can support me. But without further ado, enjoy the tutorial, guys, and these kisses. And these chocolate kisses, mwah. These melanin kisses, mwah. These wet, juicy kisses, mwah, 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 mwah.
Baby, could you? You a bougie baby, but love you baby, give you the world baby. Pay $5 grand for a handbag like Saint Laurent baby. Damn, you love that money baby. 100,000 plus 100,000 my work. 30,000 plus 30,000 my wrist. Alcohol plus bad bitch, that's lit. I swear baby, it was just cause not shit.
Gotta hit him on the jack. When you coming back, where's shit on the map? Everything is intact, could've been a seamstress, still wouldn't come slack. Pretty much I got a clue, itty bitty piggyback off everything I do. But I'm still dropping drawers, got 'em looking like James Harden at the award. Back to you, I'm so into you, for real, bread like I'm into you. If you a 10, I add 10 to you. They be mad when I 10 to you, that's what the pay like. Call me Bucky cause that's what I slay like. These bitches, I send them like it's daylight. These niggas wanna know what it tastes like. What it tastes like, yo, what it tastes like, yo. They wanna know what it tastes like, yo. All this ice, it tastes like snow. Get kimonos and let's fly to Tokyo. Pretty, pretty, please, baby, won't you rock this for me?
You a bougie baby, but love you baby, give you the world baby. Pay $5 for a handbag like Saint Laurent baby. Damn you love that money baby. 100,000 plus 100,000 my way. 30,000 plus 30,000 my rest. Alcohol plus bad bitches that's lit. I swear baby, it was just kiss nothing. 100,000 plus 100,000 my way. 30,000 plus 30,000 my rest. Alcohol plus bad bitches that's lit. I swear, baby, it was just cause nothing. Baby, could you? I'm on the road, I'm getting paid like what you want, baby. You a bougie baby, but love you, baby, give you the world, baby. Pay $5 for a handbag like Saint Laurent, baby. Damn, you love that money, baby. 100,000 plus 100,000 my way. 30,000 plus 30,000 my rest. Alcohol plus bad bitches that's lit. I swear, baby, it was just cause nothing.